Hello, aspirants. Warm greetings from Aggravation for you. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are to discuss about GATE, that is, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. GATE is a national level examination conducted jointly by Indian Institute of Science, that is, IISc Bangalore, and 7 institutes of technology, that is, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, and IIT Kanpur. GATE 2023 examination was organized by IIT Kanpur, and GATE 2024 exam will be conducted by IISc Bangalore. Qualifying GATE is a mandatory requirement for seeking admissions to postgraduate programs such as masters. GATE score is also used for some of the PSUs, that is, public sector undertakings, for their recruitment process. GATE score remains valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. Talking about food technology, students can appear for either GATE XC or GATE XL. But what's the difference between GATE XC and GATE XL? Many students have always been confused about what is GATE XC and what is GATE XL and for which examination they should appear for. So to summarize both the things, here are the differences of GATE XC and GATE XL. GATE XC, as the name suggests, is Engineering Sciences and GATE XL is Life Sciences. In the GATE examination, there are 2 compulsory subjects. For GATE XC, these are General Aptitude and Engineering Mathematics, while for GATE XL, they are General Aptitude and Chemistry. The weightage for chemistry is on a bit of higher edge. For GATE XL, chemistry has 25 marks, while in GATE XC, engineering mathematics constitute of 15 marks. There are 2 optional subjects which students can choose for. Being a food technology student, one of the optionals would be food technology to have admissions into master's program in food technology. And apart from that, in GATE XC, you can choose for fluid mechanics or thermodynamics. There are other optionals as well, but most of the students go for either fluid mechanics or thermodynamics. While in case of GATE XL, you can either go for biochemistry or microbiology. There are various other subjects as well in GATE XL, but most of the students either opt for biochemistry or microbiology. In case of GATE XC, the score is accepted by all the food technology offering colleges such as IITs, NITs, ICTs, NIFTM and various other colleges, which we will be discussing in detail in our next video. And talking about GATE XL score is accepted by all the food technology offering colleges except IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur does not accept the score of GATE XL, it only accepts the score of GATE XC, while all the other colleges accept both the scores of GATE XC and GATE XL. While talking about the weightage for GATE XC is a slight more or higher as compared to GATE XL. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.